get the most annoying thing out of the way. So I'm going to start with all four wheels. I got some special products over there I'm going to show. And then, wash the car panel by panel. I like to clay bar the car because I think it gives it that smooth finish. Alright, so these are the products that I like to use to clean my car. Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. It's perfect, especially with this brush for two-piece wheels. These can be a pain to get your hands in. So these two things are perfect. Then right after, we're going to put on tire shine. I like the applicator because I feel like it's just cleaner to use it that way as opposed to using a spray. I'm going to clay bar the car. I do this all the time. Maybe I'm not supposed to, but I just feel like it really makes the paint stand out and feel smooth. Then we're going to wax and dry it right after. And then the most annoying part to me is cleaning the interior, which is we're going to be using this for cleaning the leather. So without further ado, let's get started. Does anybody have a pair of shoes that they like to keep in their trunk when they're doing dirty stuff? I have two. So I don't know where the other foot for that one is, but I like to wear Crocs. These are my dirty shoes. They're also red. And on this channel, you'll come to realize that I love the color red. More like obsessed, but yeah. So these are gonna be my dirty shoes for today. And let's get to washing. This is Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. This is what I'm going to be using to clean the wheels today. So first, I just like to spray the inside barrel, rim, face start with this to clean the interior. Got the Jamaican slippers on. You got a dirty rag for wheels? Do I use the white one or do I use... No, like, so you like wipe it your wall is wet. Yeah, I saw a white one, brother. How dirty these wheels look before I cleaned them. So as you can see in the barrel, it's like just a bunch of brake dust and all other kinds of road dirty stuff. But yeah, the barrel is also pretty dirty too. So this is a little before, and then I'm gonna show you after. So I just put on the wheel cleaner. As you can see, it turns purple. Like the bottle sprays like white liquid or whatever, or clear liquid, but yeah, it turns purple, and then that means we're ready to go. Let's see how quickly all this stuff comes off. Not fully clean it yet, but as you can see, it's a night and day difference from before and after. Okay, so now for the clay bar. So, don't need to use the entire bar, or I don't like to use the entire bar. Big. Oh, it's gonna rain again. No. I like to knead it. So I like to just go forward and back over the paint that I've already washed with the clay bar. Forward and back. Oh, shoot. Alright, and that's how you clay bar your car. So now, final thing is wax and dry. Then we'll put tire shine on the wheels. I mean, on the tires. What am I looking for? Oh. So I like to use wax and dry by Turtle Wax. I'm trying to get this done before the next cloud comes through and rains on my parade. This is a tire shine that I like to use, Black Magic Tire and Wet. I like the ones, or any kind of tire shine that comes with an applicator, and this one does. So. On a scale of 1 to 7, how upset do you think I am? So I just finished washing the car, complete washing it. I mean, clay bar, tire shine, wax and dry, and it is pouring right now. I mean, thunderstorming. What luck. All right, it has finally stopped raining, so let's see if we can finish this up. Hurry home to my garage so I can hopefully dry off all of this. Good? All right, later. So I'm gonna see if I can hurry home, because what I can do is I can still dry off the car because I already waxed and dried it already. So if I just get home quick enough, safely, but if I get home quick enough, safe enough, and I just park it in my garage, then, ooh, what is that? Ooh, shit. heading back home. I didn't get to record it, but it was pouring to the point where the roads were actually like flooded. Like, you know, the right side was flooded. I had to be in the left lane. So yeah, heading back. It's strange because now, you can probably tell from the video, it's sunny. The sun is out. Just must have been like a passing cloud, but whoo, that cloud was pretty big. So yeah, I'm gonna head home, see if I can just dry off the car, and that'll be the end of it. Just bad luck, I guess.